If you are going to a man's house and you do not want to be eaten out, please do not wear this. Do not wear this. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Fola. If you're seeing me for the first time, in today's video we're going to be talking about the most affordable sweet chocolatey perfume I know. So this perfume is like everywhere. Everybody's talking about it. If you move to this side, they will tell you Choco musk. Every vendor on Instagram is telling you to buy Choco musk, but I want to tell you about it, so you should decide whether you want to buy it or not. Disclaimer, guys: if you are going to a man's house and you do not want to be eaten out, please do not wear this. Do not wear this. Do not wear this. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to tell you that this perfume is sweet. Look, guys. Okay, so this is like I'm running out on this. Can you see? I'm running out on this, and I have to like buy another one. Like, please, I cannot even afford to not have this fragrance in my collection. This is literally the only perfume that I know that is like 5,000 naira, and it is doing the Lord's work. Hallelujah, hallelujah! It is doing the Lord's work. So the first time I got this perfume, I felt it was too strong. It choked me out. I used it with one other perfume. I cannot remember the name of the perfume. So the very first experience I had with it, I felt it was too strong. I went to church and I kept smelling myself, and it kept choking me. Like, it choked me for like 1 or 2 hours straight in church, and I left it. I just left it for like 2 months, and then I picked it up one day, and guys, wow, I cannot begin to say how beautiful and sweet this fragrance is. Before I describe what I think about it, let me tell you what the notes are. So I wrote them out. So the main accords are vanilla, warm, spicy, chocolate, sweet, powdery, musky, cacao, amber, and balsamic. Guys, this is like sweet chocolate vanilla. You know when you are baking chocolate cake and you bring it fresh out of the oven? This is what this perfume smells like. It smells like hot chocolate fresh out of the oven. It smells like hot chocolate cake. You know those fluffy chocolate cakes that you eat exclusively with red velvet and maybe ice cream? This is what it smells like. I tend to wear this. This is very sweet. I can wear it on date nights. I wear it on date nights. I forget. I wear it to see man. Please don't loud it. I'm not even joking. Guys, look, it's just 50 ml and it is like ridiculously cheap. In fact, you get it cheaper than 5,000 naira in some places. I saw someone sells it for 4,000 naira on Instagram. Some people even sell it for 3,000 naira, 3,500 naira. It is ridiculously cheap, and it gets the work done. It gets the work done, guys. If you don't like sweet, okay, if you don't like sweet fragrances, if you are more of like, if you like oud fragrances, if you tend towards, if you know, gravitate towards woody fragrances, you will definitely not like this. But if you are like me and you're a gourmand lover, you like sweet, you like vanilla, you like chocolate, you like musky powdery fragrances, you like chocolate. If you like chocolate, you know when you're eating all these Cadbury chocolate bars, right? All these Cadbury chocolate bars, dark chocolate bars, this is what this smells like. I cannot get enough of it. So when you spray it at first, you get a whiff of alcohol. Like, it's the alcohol is very prominent. So when you smell it at first, it tends to choke you. You smell alcohol. Okay, you know when you're drinking Smirnoff vodka, the chocolate flavor, yeah, Smirnoff vodka chocolate flavor, that's what hits you immediately you spray it. Then after a few seconds, the alcohol part dries off, and then it gives way for the chocolate to exhibit its sweetness, to exude its sweetness. And then after a while, you start smelling the vanilla. So basically, you smell vanilla and chocolate all through the day, and it lasts pretty long. Like when I wear it at night, when I spray it to sleep, I smell it strongly on my body the following morning. So I'm saying that it does 6 to 7 to 8 hours. I'm not one to go 8 hours, you know, except I want to sleep, except I'm sleeping, of course. But if I wear this in the morning, best believe I'm touching it up around 12 because I always carry my atomizer with me. But I do want to say that it's worth every penny if you are a sweet perfume lover, and if you don't mind because it's cheap, because I know somebody that says that no matter how beautiful it is, she's not going to wear it because it's less than 5,000, because it's like 5,000 naira and below. I don't care, as long as I smell nice. But guys, it just gets me compliments every single time. Both older, like both Gen Z's, older guys, older women, everybody likes this perfume. As long as you like chocolate, you're going to like this perfume. So if you do not have it in your collection, please go and get it. Please go and get it. This is like, I'm on like my 7th bottle. In fact, it doesn't even last me 1 month, because I literally bath with it. In fact, I overdo. On some days I put my moisturizer on my hand and I spray this perfume, and I use it to like rub my entire body, so that once when I hug somebody, from any angle you smell me from, they are smelling the graciousness of God over my life. Can you are you guys getting it? Anyways, that's it, guys. This perfume is 50 ml. I got it's like 5,000 naira thereabouts. It shouldn't be more than 5,000 naira. Please don't buy it for 6K. They want to scam you. So yeah, that's basically it. Please make sure you click the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I post every new video. And also, please make sure you leave a comment whether you have used this perfume before, or if there's any perfume you are loving, you think I should review or I should try out. I'll be willing to buy it because you said so. Okay. And also feel free to share with your friends that love perfumes, that want to smell nice without breaking a budget. Do make them subscribe to this channel, because guys, we're going to be doing a lot of perfume reviews. We're going to be doing a lot of affordable fragrances and how to just smell nice all day every day. Okay, that'll be all for today, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.